Introducing the BL105-25 Backhoe Loader, a powerful and versatile machine designed for a variety of construction and excavation tasks. Whether you're lifting, digging, or moving heavy loads, the BL105-25 is engineered to deliver exceptional performance. Let's dive into the key specifications that make this backhoe loader stand out. First, the operating weight. With a robust weight of 11,100 kilograms, this loader is built to handle tough jobs with stability and strength. Next, the overall dimension of the BL105-25 is 6,600 millimeters long, 2,425 millimeters wide, and 3,080 millimeters high. It's the perfect size for navigating tight spaces while offering plenty of power. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell.